Hi there, Dr. Chris Grier, Bright Futures Chiropractic, and as you can tell, we have a ridiculous array of water bottles at our house. Why is that? Well, it's because we take hydration very seriously, and each of these tends to fit a little niche that we utilize from time to time, whether we're traveling and need a little bigger bottle, whether we need it to stay cold for a really long time, or whether it's something that we just grab and go whenever we're heading out of the house. Any way that it goes, dehydration can be one of the primary causes of headaches, and I want to give you a quick tip, a quick recipe to help you take care of your own hydration at home and have it taste delicious. So, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a water bottle, you're going to need water inside it, you're going to need salt. I'm a fan of real salt or some other version of naturally mined salt that has a lot of different minerals in it, and lemon juice. Here's all you do. You take your water bottle, you fill it up, you put a dash of salt in. You know, if you want to be picky about it, for every pint you can use a 1/4 teaspoon. And then, to add a little flavor and a little nutrients, you drop in some lemon juice. Why the salt? The salt helps us replace the minerals that we lose when we sweat. Why the lemon juice? Because it's delicious and it allows you to drink even more. Most people say that they'll drink more if it has a little bit of that citrus flavor to it. So that's it. Water bottle, water, a little bit of salt, a little bit of lemon juice, and you've got a great hydrating beverage that will help you stay hydrated and stay out of headaches. I'm Dr. Chris Grier, Bright Futures Chiropractic. Enjoy your day.